Want to know the secret behind every app and website you use? Learn what a database is and how SQL Server powers them in just 10 minutes. A database is like a digital filing cabinet that stores, organizes, and retrieves data. Think of it as a super organized spreadsheet for apps. For example, an online store uses a database to track products, customers, and orders. But data itself has several key characteristics that make it essential for managing data. It provides storage, holding vast amounts of data in a structured format for easy access. It ensures organization, arranging data to enable efficient querying and management using techniques like indexing for speed. It supports retrieval, allowing applications to quickly fetch specific data through optimized queries. It offers scalability, accommodating growth from small applications to massive systems like Amazon's. Finally, it maintains data integrity, ensuring accuracy and consistency with rules such as preventing duplicate entries. For example, in an online store, when a customer places an order, the database instantly updates inventory, records the transaction, and links it to the customer's profile, all in milliseconds. Microsoft SQL Server is a powerful yet beginner-friendly relational database system that's widely used across industries like finance, technology, and e-commerce. Its free version, SQL Server Express, is perfect for learning and building foundational skills. It also integrates seamlessly with tools like Excel and Power BI, making it an excellent choice for developing valuable career skills in data management and analysis. Microsoft SQL Server stores data in tables, and you use SQL or structured query language to interact with it. For example, a customer's table might store names, emails, and addresses. You write queries like select asterisks from customers to retrieve data. SQL Server Management Studio, or SSMS, is the free tool we'll use to write and manage those queries. Microsoft SQL Server empowers you to build applications, analyze data, or even land a job as a data analyst or developer. In a real-world example, a retail company uses SQL Server to efficiently track inventory and sales, ensuring accurate and timely data management. That's it. You now know what a database is and why SQL Server is awesome for beginners. In the next video, we'll install SQL Server for free, so stay tuned. Drop a comment. What app or website do you think uses a database? Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. See you next time.